Hi.
Hello.
Hello, how are you? Can you speak
I
English?
don't understand. A little bit,
Oh,
not so much.
okay, not so much, little bit. Okay. I'm also
So it's hard
I'm
for me.
okay. I'm also learning English, okay? So, okay.
I
Yeah.
frag, wie es dir geht.
Yeah. Oh,
I'm
perfect.
fine, and you?
Yeah, I'm fine also. So, I'm really so happy that you accept my request. Really appreciate it for you.
Deine Verbindung ist sehr schlecht.
Yeah, I said you accepted me on your life, so I am happy for you.
Kann ihn jemand verstehen? Deine Verbindung ist sehr schlecht.
Where are you from?
Germany.
Oh,
And
Germany.
you?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you know
Okay,
Bangladesh?
bei mir läuft nämlich das eine nicht so gut. Yes.
Oh, you know Bangladesh?
Yes.
Oh, good. Oh, you give me a cup of tea. You are having coffee or tea?
Hmm?
What are you eating?
What I
Coffee?
drink?
Yeah.
Coffee, yes. Latte macchiato.
So give me a cup of coffee.
Ich habe eine Tasse Kaffee von dir. Do you want a coffee?
Yeah, I want coffee.
Okay.
Thank you. I just like to have a cup of coffee with you. Wish I could have a sense. I definitely would invite you to have a cup of coffee. I would pay for you. Really. So one day I will try to visit in Germany.
Yes. Yes. I've heard.
Okay. Okay, good. So what do you do? What is your job?
My job?
Yeah?
Um, I work in the hospital.
Oh,
Ja,
good.
das mit dem Besuchen kommen habe ich verstanden. Wegen Tasse
You
Kaffee, ne?
work in hospital. I'm really so happy that you really
Hm?
so humanitic job that you work in hospital. So good. But you don't have duty yesterday. You don't have work today.
A hour.
Oh, okay. You are right to work. Okay. So
And you?
uh, no, I just do a business here in my territory. Yeah. Just had made a tattoo. Good. Perfect looking. I do business. I do
Thank you.
business here in my country. Okay. What is your name? Mylelon. What is your name?
Elon.
Uh, Mylelon. Okay. So you come here.
Leilon
Yeah. Okay.
is my name.
You come
Here.
here in Bangladesh for a visiting.
Not now.
Okay, but one day you try to make a plan to visit in Bangladesh.
I'm going out here.